Welcome to Pandora, a world where every leaf, every river, and every breath is alive. Here, the trees remember, the wind speaks, and the heartbeat of life connects all beings. Breathe with the forest, feel the unity, and let the magic awaken within you. Beneath your skin, every leaf, every river sings the song within. Shadows dance with light, the forest holds its gaze. Time moves slow, yet everything forever stays. We are the threads of the heart of Pandora, bound by the sky, the earth, voices rise, the spirits call. We are one in the pulse of life. We become the sun. Step with care where roots embrace the stone. Hear the ancients' heartbeat. Feel you're not alone. Every creature, every sky, every sacred tree reflects the truth. We live in harmony. We are the threads of the heart of Pandora, bound by the sky, the earth, the water. Voices rise, the spirits call. We are one in the pulse of life. We become the sun. We find our way. The light within us never fades away. Whispered winds carry secrets, hold stories of courage yet untold. We are the threads of the heart of Pandora, bound by the sky, the voices rise, the spirits call. We are one in the pulse of life. We become the sun. Mountains breathe, rivers bend, the jungle sighs, stars above mirror the fire in our eyes. Every heartbeat a drum, every thought a song. In this world we all belong. We are the threads of the heart of Pandora, bound by the sky, the earth, the water. Voices rise, the spirits call. We are one in the pulse of life. We become the sun. Silence speaks where words cannot reach. Lessons of the forest, the stars they teach. Every end is the start of something new. The world breathes life, and so do you. We are the threads of the heart of Pandora, bound by the sky, the earth, the water. Voices rise, the spirits call. We are one in the pulse of life. We become the sun. Through the night every heartbeat a song of life. Pandora whispers, respect, connect, and remember, you are part of this world, and it is part of you.